Hey bananas! Basically today, this is like a speed build of me building my new family home because I felt like building one. So, yeah. I won't speak the whole time, but like there will be parts of me like speaking and like just saying things, and the other like parts will just be music in the background. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with the fact that I have barely posted often. Like there will be a time where I will feel like posting and then I just don't post for like another 5 months, and that is because either I am busy with school or I do not have the motivation, or my Toca is being really laggy and just annoying, so I can't do anything on it because I always have to reset my world and rebuild a house. So I'm just like, this is annoying. So that's kind of why I don't post much. I'm trying to post more now because I really do like wanna be more consistent, but it's kind of hard to when, you know, my Toca is annoying. But I got a new iPad for Christmas, so hopefully I will be able to post more. The quality might be different, so I'm probably gonna have to like voice over my videos now, like re-voice them over, if that makes sense, because I don't have my microphone anymore. I used to have like a headset that had a microphone to it. It was really nice, but I can't plug it into my iPad anymore because, I mean, that's saying how old my other iPad was. I could still plug things in. Oh my god. Anyways, I have like nothing to talk about at the moment, so enjoy some sped up islet music so I don't get copyrighted. One detail I completely forgot to mention was that I would like seriously make intros. I would make videos. I would like have them ready to be edited. And then guess what Toca would do? It would reset my world. And so then I would just like give up and be like, I'm not doing this. It would do that every single time I wanted to like start posting consistently. Like there were times 2025 fall, 2025 summer, I wanted to like post more, but my iPad was being so annoying. And that's also why like I used to switch my family so much, because my world reset so much. I was like, I'm just gonna like, you know, do a new family. Anyways, yeah, I have nothing else to talk about really except my building skills. Wow, I'm doing so good. I honestly hate doing that part of the house because it is just, I don't know why it's so annoying to do. Because I don't know what to add. Like, what do I add there? That's why I added the cookies and the plushie chair, because what else am I supposed to add? So I just kind of added random things here and like hoped it would look good. Honestly, I don't think it looks bad at the end of it, but it don't look very good to me, at least. Also, what are your guys' like favorite K-pop groups? Like top 3. It can be boy group, girl group, or like kind of like All Day Project, how it has boy and girl members, you know. I think my top 3 groups are Islet, New Jeans, and X Love, or however you say their name. I want someone to count how many times, I can't speak, my god. I want someone to count how many times I used this plant, because I use it so often. I want someone to count exactly how many times I placed it down in my house and tell me, because I want to know. I'm interested. Anyways, enjoy more Islet music. There was a part like a little further back into the video where I was wondering, I was like, where is the dog that I normally use? Like, you know, the one that's in my intro, Stella? That dog just disappeared. I have no idea where it is in Toca Boca. It's gotta be somewhere, but I looked everywhere and I cannot find it. So if you don't see it until I reset my world, that is because I never found it and I can't find it. So yeah, my Toca Boca has been so like laggy for some reason recently, and I have no idea why. I don't know if it's just me, but like it'll randomly I don't know how to explain it, but like the new plushie blanket, when I put it on my child, it doesn't get rid of her hair like it's supposed to. Usually it's supposed to make her like hair not show, but it won't do that. And same with like cats that are supposed to get rid of their hair. It doesn't do that, and it's kind of weird, and I don't understand what it is, but like I wouldn't know if it's happening to anyone else, because like it's happening to me and I'm so confused because it's kind of annoying. Anyways, I have really nothing to talk about at the moment, so this